Never really vlogged before, but today we're getting an oil change in the CRX and hopefully go to a car meet. Mask on. N95 Life, baby. Here at Walmart, picking up some oil because it's a lot cheaper than AutoZone. See, this is why I don't really vlog, because I'm really self-conscious. That guy just drove by watching me film that, giving me the funniest look. Like, oh my God, I feel so dumb. Oh well, let's do this. Jesus. Should I get this from my boyfriend? Dude, I want to try getting synthetic oil for my car, but I'm always paranoid that it's gonna leak. I think somebody on YouTube already debunked that's actually not the case, that if you throw synthetic in a car that's never run it, it's not necessarily gonna leak, but I don't know, old habits die hard. Conventional for today, boys. Damn. Psych, I guess, because they don't even have conventional in anything. Great. All right, well, we're trying synthetic today. Hope that shit doesn't leak. Whose junker is this? Dude, I can't do this. I feel so stupid talking to myself in public. I mean, I guess they can't see me because got the mask on and stuff, but fuck. All right, I might already be regretting buying synthetic, only because it's like giving me kind of anxiety, like, oh, dude, I sure hope it doesn't leak. If it leaks, then there's more content for the channel, because I'll have to play some gaskets. All right. Starts right up. Slow. Still slow, but louder! Pro tip, when you take the plastic off an oil filter, don't poke through here, because apparently there's like a Honda service bulletin that says that enough people were doing that and a little piece of plastic was getting stuck inside the oil filter and ruining engines. So I think the official procedure is to cut from the bottom and take it off the top. That is really hot. All right, well, while that is doing its thing, I guess I'll talk about my plans for this. So it's a B16A out of an Integra XSI, OBD1. All I've got is an AM cold air intake. This intake is specifically for EF chassis with a B series swap. I still have AC in here, but the AC blew cold for 2 years when I did the swap. I've had this car for about 4 years, bought it as a shell, put AC in when I did the swap, and I kept R12, but after 2 years it leaked out, and that kind of sucks because R12 cans are a lot, and I think technically it's illegal to buy them. And I have enough R12 to fill it up again, but I kind of just don't want to waste it, and I'd rather, I don't know, let somebody else have this. I think my plan is to rip the lines out. I've got the Hasport bracket so that you can use their single cam air conditioner compressor on a B series swap. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna pull it all out and sell it, see if anybody wants it. A couple other random little things I want to do just to button it up, but I know I just said it was slow in that video of the pull, but honestly, it's fast enough for me, and I like it. If I need to go fast, I've got that thing. But this thing, it's like as fun as that, honestly. B16s are so nice. I love these engines. Like, I don't even feel the need to like get a header or an exhaust. It just is that good as it is. I love it. Probably not my most proud thing to admit, but I never replace crush washers. But I'm gonna do it for this video. The only time I've ever had a problem with a crush washer in my 10 plus years of owning cars and changing oil and stuff was I had a 240SX like 5 years ago, and the crush washer leaked. But what I ended up doing is I just sanded the crush washer down, and I never had any problems with it after that. God, I hate oil changes on this car. Why did they have to put the oil filter up there? Fuck. It's so hot, I better wait. Alright, this oil filter's on there pretty tight, so I had to break out the real glove. Wish me luck. Really hot. And I'm impatient to let it cool off. I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. Cool. This is gonna get all over me. Great. Yeah. I can't even get in there. God. Amateur hour. Oh yeah, I probably shouldn't fill that up that much because it sits sideways. If you can't get your hands on an official Honda oil filter, and you're just wondering what actually fits on a B16, I can confirm the M1104A Mobile 1 oil filter will fit. Honda oil filter part number. Alright, got it running. I topped off. No major leaks under here, or like, well, no leaks at all. So here we go, fingers crossed. Another thing I'm working on today is trying to get this, I'm gonna replace this adhesive for the spoiler. It's kind of old and not sticking as well. Using a heat gun to heat up the adhesive, hopefully get this off easier. Probably looks really cool on camera. Okay, so the secret was heat gun and a razor blade. Yeah. Man, having a moment. Listening to this, think about all the stuff that's going down in Minneapolis right now. Rest in peace, George Floyd. Damn. Dude, it looks so weird to me without the spoiler on. Like, I've had that thing on for like maybe 2 years, maybe more, and it just looks naked without it. Anyway, gonna give this thing a bath and clean her up. Whoa. Alright, got it fresh and clean. We put down some extra new tape. See how it works. Cutting here to clear the windshield wiper delete. Quick test fits to make sure I can't see it anywhere. I'm gonna trim this a little bit. now. I did this last time I did this, and I actually think it helped. I'm using these clamps just to pinch down the corners while the adhesive sets or whatever. All right, headed up to the car show, car meet, whatever. Took the little clamps off the spoiler. It's sitting good. Gonna go meet up with some homies. See you then.
I try to use the brush, bro, the fucking brush to clean up buckets. Peacefully, and let's fucking get there quick. What's that road? Okay, that's like 5-10 minutes up the road. If you don't know, you can follow all of us. We got them out. Alright? I'm sorry that this happened. I'm sorry you guys wasted gas. I don't like this happening. That's why I'm doing the show.
These little things. That's kind of insane.
That's a big ass turbo.
Jeebus.
Right where the sun is. Interesting. Look at that.
Another big ass turbo.
TJ's in there.
Damn, look at that intercooler piping.
Yeah.
It's kind of bent.
Yeah. I Fox by. That's what my brother said. He saw this car headed to the CRX. I don't know. I just saw a lot of comments.
Experienced it.
What I like about Ferraris is the maintenance on them.
Yeah, dude, like, I've been watching. Civic. Yo, alright, I'm back home. Just got back. Had a good time at the car meet. It moved 3 times, so that's why the scenery changed, and that's what the dude was talking about. He was the guy that organized it. He was saying that I guess some people had left trash, and it wasn't even car meet related, but so they got kicked out anyway. Then we moved spots to like a public park, and then the cops were cool with us there, but they said you have to move to a different parking area. Oh well, it's a good turnout. Saw a lot of cool cars. Sorry, my filming isn't the best. Kind of shaky when doing it. I'm still getting used to, filming every car I see that I think is cool. But anyway, I'm rambling. Today was productive. Had a good time. Saw a lot of people I haven't seen in a long time. Had a good day. See you later. Bye.